Yeah, rational numbers as decimal numbers. Decimal numbers can be divided into, note down, decimal numbers can be divided into decimal numbers can be divided into decimal number can be divided into two categories. Divided into two categories, terminating decimal and non-terminating decimal. Terminating decimal and non-terminating decimals. Terminating decimals and non-terminating decimals. Non-terminating decimals. Non-terminating decimals. Rational numbers can be divided into two categories, terminating decimals and non-terminating decimals. Decimal number can be divided into two categories, terminating decimal and non-terminating decimals. What is the meaning of terminating decimal? After decimal point, if values is not repeating, that is called terminating. After decimal point, if values is not, if values is repeating continuously, but value is coming another value, that is called non-terminating. Suppose I am writing here, listen carefully everyone. Some examples I am writing, listen carefully. Listen carefully, don't write 3.141414 dot. You are observing students here, after decimal point, 14 is repeating. 141414. Don't say 14. After decimal point, always we will read individual digits. 3.1414. 14 is repeating, I can say 3.14 bar. What is the meaning of bar? 14 is repeating continuously, that is 3.14 bar. Next, if I am writing 5.263456879238, you are observing students, after decimal point, values are not repeating. Values also not terminating. Another values are coming. This is called non-terminating. Non-terminating. After decimal point, values are not repeating, values are not terminating, that is non-terminating. Now after decimal point, 14 is repeating, this is called after decimal point, values are repeating, that is already repeating. This is repeating and this is non-terminating. Now there is two concepts just now, non-terminating and terminating. Listen that concept very carefully everyone. What is the meaning of non-terminating repeating and non-terminating not repeating? Repeating is also called as recurring. Okay. Now there are two conditions are there. First concept I have explained previously when I have started this chapter, rational number concept. How to define the given integer is rational number. If two integers I am writing into a by b form, where b is not equal to 0, that is called rational number. This was the first concept. If two integers I am writing into p by q form or a by b form where b is not equal to 0, that is called rational number. This is the first condition. Second condition I explain, if remainder is coming 0 that is also rational number. If remainder is coming 0, that is also rational number. 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Remainder is coming 0. This is also a rational number. This is also a rational number. This is also a rational number. Yeah, first star point. The decimal number is either terminating the decimal number is either terminating or non-terminating repeating non-terminating repeating non-terminating repeating decimals. A decimal number is either terminating or non-terminating repeating decimals which can be expressed in A by B form which can be expressed in A by B form these are known as rational number. These are known as rational number. Second star point. The decimal number is either non-terminating the decimal number is either non-terminating is either non-terminating nor non-recurring. Non-recurring the decimal number is either non-terminating nor non-recurring decimals is called irrational number. Example, I have written first example 10 by 3. When I am dividing 10 by 3, this answer will come 3.333. I can say here 3.3 bar. What is the meaning of this? After decimal point, it is after decimal point 3 is repeating. That's why this is rational number. Next, second example, example 2, 10 by 2 is equal to 5, rational number. Example 3, 0.8125, rational number. After 8125 values has terminated. Example 4, 1.243687928176. We are observing students, after decimal point, values are not repeating. 243687928176 values are not repeating and not terminating also. This is irrational number. Fifth example, 4.67 67 dot dot dot. We're observing students here, 4.67 is repeating. This I can say, I can write here 4.67 bar, means a rational number, because 67 is repeating. Yeah, listen carefully everyone. If they have given any rational number, how to write into A by B form? Suppose I have written here 0 point, listen carefully everyone. Suppose I have written here, first question, 0.47 bar present on 47. 0.47 bar present on 47. How to find what is the value of 0.47? Listen carefully. In this question, you are observing students, before decimal digit is 0. Listen carefully. Before decimal digit is 0. Before decimal digit is 0. After decimal digit is 47. Bar present on how many number? 2 number. This number I want to write into A by B form. Then after decimal digit is 47. 47 I have written, divided by bar present on 2 digit means I will write 99. The value of 0.47 bar is equal to 47 divided by 99. Second example, concentrate, don't write. 0.54 bar present on 2 digit. Again, before decimal point digit is 0. After decimal point bar present on whole number. The whole number is 54 divided by bar present on 2 number means 99. Third example, 0.534 bar present on 3 digit. Before decimal point digit is 0. After decimal point digit is 3. And bar is present all whole number. Means I will write 534 divided by 999 because bar is present on 3 number. In this 3 example, students, you are understanding after decimal point bar is present on whole number. If bar is not present on whole number, then how to solve? Concentrate everyone. Fourth example, suppose I am writing here 0.56 bar is present only 6. Then how to find this value into A by B form? Now listen carefully. Before decimal digit is 0, no problem. After decimal digit is 5, 6, but bar is present at only 6. Then how to solve this type of question? Total digit is what? 56. Total digit is 56. Bar is not present on which number? 5, minus 5. Divided by bar is present on how many number? 1 digit, 19. Bar is not present on how many digit? 1 digit means 10. This answer has come 51 by 90. Again, one more example I am writing, concentrate. Question number 5. 0.368 bar present on 68. Then how to write this value into P by Q form or in rational number form? Before decimal digit is 0, after decimal digit is 368, but bar is present on 68. Bar is not present on whole number. If bar is present on only 68, then I will write total digit is 368 minus bar is not present on which number? First number. That number name is 3 divided by bar present on 2 digit means 99 and bar is not present on 1 digit means 0 is equal to 365 divided by 990. One more example I am taking, students, concentrate. Example 6. 0.47 bar present on only 7. Then how to write this value into P by Q form or A by B form or in rational number form? Before decimal digit is 0, after decimal digit is 47, but bar is present at 1 digit. Total digit is 47 minus bar is not present on which number? 4 divided by bar is present on what number means 19. Bar is not present on one number means 0. This answer has come 0.47 bar is equal to 443 divided by 90. Interesting concept or not, student? Right. Note down, everyone. This type of question, students, you are observing before decimal digit is 0. Next case I will explain. If before decimal digit is coming any other number, then how to simplify. Note down firstly, everyone. Next, example 7. Example 7. 0.346 bar present on 46. How to solve this question? Before decimal digit is 0. After decimal, bar is present on 2 digit. Total digit is what? 346. 346 minus bar is not present on which number? 3 minus 3 divided by bar present on 2 digit means double 9, and bar is not present on one number means 10, right? This answer has come 343 divided by 990. Eighth question, 0.768 bar present on 768. What is the answer? Bar is present on whole number. 768 divided by 999. Now stop writing, everyone. Stop writing, everyone. Stop writing. Yeah. I have taken total 8 examples. I explained before decimal digit was 0, how to solve. Now in this question, ninth question, before decimal digit is 1. If before decimal any number is there, how to find, how to write into A by V form, yeah, how to write into rational number form. Listen carefully, everyone. How to solve this question? Very easy question. Nothing is there. Don't worry. Yeah. Before decimal digit is 1, I will write 1. 1 plus whatever digit is there before decimal, that digit I will write plus. Now after decimal, digit is 236 and bar is present on whole number. I will write 236 divided by bar present on 3 digit means 999. Then I can write is equal to 1 of 236 divided by 999. Again, listen how I have solved. Before decimal digit is 1, whatever value will be there, that value will write and plus. After decimal digit is 236 and bar is present on whole number, then I have written 236 divided by 999. Then I can say one integer 236 divided by 999. Don't write, listen carefully. Question number 10, 24.24. Listen carefully. Now before decimal digit is 24. I will write 24 plus. After decimal digit is 2 and bar present on whole number 24 divided by bar present on 2 digit means 999. Then I can say 24 of 24 divided by 29. Again listen carefully. Question number 11. 4.37 bar present on 37. Concentrate, everyone. Now before decimal digit is 4. I will write 4 plus bar present on 2 digit 37 divided by 999. I can say answer 4 of 37 divided by 99. We can say 4 integer 37 by 999. Listen carefully. Next, question number 12. Question number 12. 2.387 bar present on only 87. Concentrate, everyone. Before decimal digit is what? 2. I will write 2 plus. Now before decimal completed. Now I am bothering about after decimal. 387, but bar present on only 87. I will write 387 minus bar is not present on one digit, the digit is 3, divided by bar present on two digit means 99, and bar is not present on one digit means 0. Then I can say 2 plus 387 minus 3, 384 divided by 990. Then I can write here 2 integer 384 divided by 990. Are you getting my point, student? Are you getting my point? Rishita. One more example I am writing. Don't worry. Listen carefully. Question number 13. 5.241 bar present on 41. Now before decimal digit is what? 5. I will write 5 plus 5 plus. After decimal digit is what? 241. But bar is present how many digit? Only 2 digit. We will do minus. 241 minus 2. Why minus 2? Because bar is not present on 2. Divided by bar is present on 2 digit means 99. And bar is not present on one number means 10. Then I can say 5 plus 5 plus 241 minus 2. What will come? 230, 239 divided by 990 divided by 990. Then I can say answer 5 of 239 divided by 990. Now note down everyone. Note down firstly everyone.